Okay, hello students. I'm going to explain how to solve question number 8. It's a page 69, exercise 3D. So question number 8, find the range of values of x for which both 2x squared is greater than or equal to 4x and 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. We need to find the value of range of x which satisfies these both inequalities. Firstly, 2x squared is greater than or equal to 4x. Then we should move 4x to the left side. So 2x squared minus 4x is greater than or equal to 0. Then you can factorize it by separate factor 2x, open the bracket. To make 2x squared, it needs x. Then here, minus. To make 4x, you need 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Since the equation of 2x times x minus 2 equals 0, the roots of this equation is x equals 0 or x equals 2. Firstly, the solution which we solve this inequality in a normal real way is you should draw a graph since the x-intercept is either x equals 0 or x equals 2, 0, 2. And then since the coefficient of x squared is positive, you can draw this quadratic graph in this way. We need to find the range of x which this graph is greater than or equal to 0. It means that this range includes 0 part. So if we read this range in x, in respect to x, then x is either less than or equal to 0 or x is greater than or equal to 0. But the thing is, sometimes we don't have much time to solve this simple inequality by drawing graph all the time. So I told you 2x, x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 if the inequality direction here is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then outer part, greater than or equal to, then outer part of the number line. So which means 0 and 2, outer part of this number line. If it's less than or equal to, it means that between. Less than or equal to, it means that between. So please remember this simple rule. It will make your solution faster. So we found the range of x, which is x is less than or equal to 0 or x is greater than or equal to 2. Then let's solve the second inequality, which is 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Then, of course, you can solve this quadratic equation by using your graphic calculator. I want you to practice how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using your graphic calculator. But since for now I am teaching you, so that I'm going to tell you how to solve this quadratic equation by using factorization. So let's find 5x and x. So either 2, 3, and then since this one is negative, one should be positive, the other should be negative. Or one should be negative, the other should be positive. Let's try this one first. The first rule is cross, which is 15x and x times negative 2, which is negative 2x. If you add them up, it's 13x, which it's a different sign, right? So in this case, you need to switch negative and positive sign. So in this case, negative and positive. Negative and positive, if you add them up, you can find minus 13x, which is same as here. Then you should write down in this direction, horizontally. So open the bracket, 5x plus 2, close the bracket this way. And this one, x minus 3. which is less than or equal to 0. Then, firstly, you should find the quadratic equation, which is 5x plus 2 is 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. It means that either x equals negative 2 over 5 or x equals 3. Draw a number line and place these two values on the number line. Since it's less than or equal to, it means that between. So between, and there is an equal sign here, so you need to include these two values. So therefore, x should be between negative 2 over 5 and less than 3. And then with the first solution and the second solution, we need to combine them. Let's draw here the same number line. So 0 should be located here, 2 should be located here. Then the first one is less than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 2. Then the intersection area between these blue and red area is in this way. Therefore, the final answer is either x is between negative 2 over 5 and 0, or x is between 2 and 3. All those numbers should be included. This is the solution of question number 8.